Hello children, let us start with our chapter Arithmetic Progression with Part 6. Let me revise the previous one. In Part 5, we have seen the formula, that is SN formula. Let us quickly revise that formula first. Sum of first n terms of an AP. If the AP is given with the number of terms, if I want to find the sum of all the terms, so what will be the formula? There are two formulas. The first one is what? Sn equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here again I will repeat, the brackets are very important, that d is multiplied to n minus 1 only, and the whole 2a plus n minus 1 into d, the whole bracket multiplied to the n by 2. Is it clear? Okay, let us continue with the second formula. So Sn equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. This an we can represent it as L also. Now what is a and n? An, the a is the first term and an is nothing but the last term of an AP. Now do you remember what I told? Which formula has to be applied at which sum? It is depend on what are the given values. In the given sum, if a, n and d values are given, and if you want to find the Sn, you can apply the first formula, and if it is given as first term and last term, in that case you can apply the second formula. So which values are given, depend on that you choose your formula. And if all the values are given, in that case you have a choice. You can use any one of the formula and you will get the same answer. Let us continue with our exercise 5.3. In 5.3, the next sum is nothing but how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Do you remember, always I used to tell you, whatever the given sum is there, read it twice. What is the given values, that you find out first. Then what you want to find, that you have to write. Next step is formula and substitute the values. Again we will solve it by with the same method. Now let us see again the what is your AP. AP is given as 9, 17, 25 and so on. So what will be your A value? A is nothing but 9, that is a first term. What will be your second value? 17 minus 9, that is a second term minus first term. 17 minus 9 is 8. So 8 is your difference. Now what is given? It will be given as what? Give a sum as 636. That means Sn value is given as 636. Is it correct? So the given values are A, D and Sn, and by using that we want to find the n value, how many terms of the AP. So we want to find the number of terms in that AP. So let us apply the formula now. Formula is what? Sum is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute, sum is given as 636, n by 2, n value we want to find. Then 2 into a is given as 9, n minus 1 into d is given as 8. If you can able to solve by using yourself, you can try first and then check the answer from this. Okay, so try first of all and then see the answer. Okay, now otherwise you can see the solution here also. Okay, now let us simplify. N by 2, take that this number 2 on the other side, so it will become as what? 636 into 2 equal to n into this n will be as it is here as n in the bracket 2 into 9 is 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. Yes, the remaining step we kept it as it is. Let us continue with the solution now. Now 636 into 2, here we will get it as what? 1272. And multiply by, simplify the bracket, 2 into 9 is 18. There it was n minus 1 multiplied to 8. So you are getting here as 8n minus 8. Is it correct? Simplify further this bracket, what you will get? That is 18 minus 8 is nothing but 10. So 10 plus 8n. Now multiply again with the bracket a10 plus a10 multiply by n. So what you will get the next step as it is 10n plus 8n square. Yes, go on simplifying further. Bring all the terms on the one side. So what you will get here 10n plus 8n square 1272. Bring it on the right hand side. It will become minus 1272. Just take the 0 on right hand side and bring all the terms on left hand side. It will become as what? 8n square plus 10n minus 1272. Take the 2 common. 2 in the bracket 5n plus 4n square minus 636. If you divide the each term by 2, you will simplify and you will get the bracket these terms. Bring this 2 on the other side. So 0 upon 2 will become as 0. So you are getting the quadratic equation over here as 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Now this is a quadratic equation. You know how to find the roots of a quadratic equation. We have already done in 9th standard. So here what will be the product? Product is 636 into 4. Multiply 636 into 4. That will be your product. And the sum is nothing but 5n. So find the factors of this quadratic equation and find the value of n. So let us see further in the next slide. Okay, so here 636 into 4 is nothing but what? It is 254. Yes, sorry. So here it is nothing but 2544. 636 into 4 is 2544. So if you see the factors over here, you will get it. The product is 2544 and sum is plus 4. So you will get it the answer as 53 and minus 48. So middle term is 5. So you can see here 53 minus 48 is what? That is plus 5. Now I have given the dots over here. You know how to simplify the roots by splitting the middle term. So it will become as what? 4n square plus 53. I will just give you one step over here. That is 4n square plus 53n. Wait a minute. 53n minus 48n. Then plus minus 636 will be your first step. So split the middle term, make the groups and find the roots. So when you will find the roots, you will get the two roots as n equal to 12 and n equal to minus 53 by 4. I have purposely given as a dot dot dot. You know how to split the middle term and how to find the roots of that. We have already done in 9th standard. So you will get the final answer as n equal to 12 or n equal to minus 53 by 4. But what n is what? N is nothing but what? N is a number of terms in the sequence. It cannot be negative. Number of terms cannot be negative. Therefore, we can say the final answer n is nothing but 12. Is it clear to all of you this sum? Can we continue with the next one? Okay. Let us see the next sum. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Okay, if you see in all the sums, the formula is nothing but same. Just we have to find the given, to find and substitute. That hint you should get it from yourself that how to solve. Yes, so if you are having that tech, then these all the sums are very easy for you. You can solve any type of sums of AP. Okay, for that your concept should be very much clear. Let us see. Find the sum of first 22 terms. So we want to find the S22. Now what is given? In this case, the given part you can see over here as d equal to 7. So d equal to 7. Find the sum of 22 means your n equal to 22. An equal to 149. Why? That is 22nd term. That means A22 is given as 149. Correct? So write the formula. Now here to find the sum we required either here d is given. That means I required the a value also. To find the a, I am applying again first an formula to find the value of a. So an equal to 149, here d equal to 7, n equal to 22. Substitute in the formula. So we will get a equal to, that is 149 equal to a plus 22 minus 1 into 7. Just simplify. 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into 7 is 147. Shift it on the other side. You will get 149 minus 147 is nothing but 2. So you will get it here a as 2. So we got the a value. We know the d value. We know the n and an. Now you can apply any one of the formula to find the answer. Why? A is already given. Yes, so here this sum can be solved by both the formulas, because in this a and an is given as well as n is given, so you can apply second formula. Similarly, d is also given, so you can apply the first formula also. So it is of your choice. Let us see the solution. Now here I have used the second formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus al. L is nothing but what? The last term, that is nothing but a and 149. Just substitute. 22 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 149. 2 plus 149 will become as 151, and the 11 into 151 is 1661. So we are getting the final answer here as sum of first 22 terms is 1661. Nothing but if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, that of 17 term is 289. Find the sum of first 51 terms. So yes, sum of first 7 terms. So we start with the first given value and let us substitute in the first formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula. Don't forget to write the formula for each and every sum, whichever you are using. Okay, so let us substitute the values. S7 equal to 7 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 49, S7 value is given as 49 over here. So 49 equal to 7 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So 7 minus 1 is nothing but become as 60. So bring this 7 by 2 on the other side. So it will become as a reciprocal as 2 by 7. So when you write it as 2 by 7, 7 ones are and 7 sevens are 49. 7 into 2 will become as 14. So 14 equal to 2a plus 60. If you simplify further, divide both the side by 2. So you will get it as what? 2a equal to 14 minus 60 divided by 2, and finally you will get a equal to 7 minus 3d. Make it as a step 1. Similarly, use the second value, that is 17th term is 289. In the same way, you substitute and find the second equation. Yes, so here step 2. So for that again I have used the same formula, the same substitution. Now S17 value is given as 289. 17 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 289 equal to 17 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 16d. So 289 into 2, again what we have done, we have taken the 17 by 2 on the other side to make it as 2 by 17, correct? So then 289 into 2 by 17, so cancel it and simplify it as 34 equal to 2a plus 16d. 34 minus 16d is equal to 2a. Simplified, you will get the second step over here as a equal to 17 minus 8d. Now again I will repeat, you can solve this sum by with the different methods. What are those different methods? You will find a and d are the variables. So solve these two equations simultaneously by linear equation in two variable and find the a value. In that also there are many methods. Here I have applied the substitution method. So a equal to 7 minus 3d is given. So I will use a 7 minus 3d and I will substitute at the place of a and simplify the value of simplify it and find the value of d here. So when you will substitute and simplify it, you will get the answer here as a equal to 14 minus d, a equal to 14 minus 4 and a equal to 10. So here before that what you have to do, you have to find the value of d. So when you will simplify that, you will get the d value over here as 4. Here can you see the d equal to 4? How you get this d equal to 4? For that you have to solve that middle part I have not given purposely. Yes, that you have to solve and find the d. Is it clear? So find the value of d, that is 4, and by using that you will get the a's as 10. So you got the d value as 4, a as 10 and n is nothing but 51. So these are the values. By using that you have to find the Sn value, that is S51. Now just substitute in the equation Sn equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 51 by 2 a, that is 2 into 10, n minus 1, 51 minus 1 and d is nothing but 4. So 15 by 2, 2 into 10 is 20, 51 minus 1 is 50 into 4. Children, all of you know this calculation. It is very easy. 50 into 4, how much it is? 2. 5 4s are 20, so 200. 200 into 20 plus 20, 220. Simplify and find the answer. Purposely I have not given the final solution over here, so that you can try yourself and find the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Can I continue with the next sum? Yes, it is very easy. That's why I told you to solve. Now let us see the next one. Show that A1, A2, A3 till AN form an AP. Okay, this is just a general form is given. A1, A2, A3, these are the terms of an AP. Now general form of nth term is given here as an equal to 3 plus 4n. Can you see over here? That is an equal to 3 plus 4n, and by using that we want to find the S15 value. So how to find the S15? For that we require the number of terms in the sequence. Is it correct? Yes. So first just substitute n as 1, n as 2, n as 3 and find the sequence first. So the general form is given as an equal to 3 plus 4n. Just substitute n equal to 1 and find the first term. So when you substitute n equal to 1 in your general form, 3 plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 3, you will get the a as 7. That is a first term. Similarly, find the second term. Just substitute n as 2. So if you substitute n as 2, what you will get? 4 into 2 is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. You are getting the second term as 11. So if you want to find the third term, in the same way, n is 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So what you got the series, or what is your AP over here? AP is that is AP is nothing but 7, 11, 15 and so on. Now again I will explain you with the two methods over here. Similarly, the next step is what? If you want, you can find the A15, because I want to find what? S15, and apply the second formula. Or simply, as you got the sequence over here, you know the A value as 7. D is 11 minus 7 is nothing but 4. Common difference D. Is it correct? So you got it this, and you know the n as 15. So you can apply the first formula also. So it is up to you. Whichever formula you want, if feel easy, you can try that. I have used the first formula over here. So formula is nothing but what? Sn equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Hope this is clear to all of you till here. Is it clear? So n equal to 15, a equal to 7, d equal to 4. substitute in the formula. Now again, if you want, don't see the solution first, try yourself and check the answer. So substitute n by 2, that is 15 by 2. A is 7, so 2 into 7. N is 15, so 15 minus 1 is 4. So 2 sevens are 14. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 4. 14 fours are 46. And plus 14 is equal to into 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 into 70, and 15 into 35, because if you simplify 2 into 70 over here as 35, the product is nothing but you will get it here as what? 525. Hope this one is clear to all of you. Hello children, let me just do one correction over here. Here 46 printed, but that is a printing mistake. It should be as it is 14 fours are 56. Yes, the rest step is correct. That is 56 plus 14 is nothing but 70, and the final answer is also correct. Just do this necessary condition first. Okay, the rest answer is nothing but correct. Let us continue with the next sum over here. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. This type of sum is also there in your second exercise. Yes, similarly we will solve it here also. The multiples of 8. 8 multiples means what? It is simply nothing but the table of 8, 8, 16, 24 and so on. Since the difference is same, yes, it is an AP, because 16 minus 8 is 8, 24 minus 16 is 8. So we can say the given sequence is an AP. In this case, this step is very important. You have to show that it is an AP because it is not given. In the previous all the sums, if you see, they will give the sequence as an AP. Here it is not given, so you have to prove that the given sequence is an AP because the difference is same. Is it clear? Okay, let us continue. Now, what is your sequence? 8, 16, 24 and all. What is your A value? A is nothing but 8 over here. Now, what is your D? 16 minus 8 is nothing but 8. Correct? So, D is also 8. Yes, and they asked you to find the first 15 multiples, the sum of first 15. That means N is 15. So, can you see the given part again? That is N equal to 15, A equal to first term as 8 and D is 8. And the formula, I think till now you have highlighted that formula, Sn equal to N by 2 in the bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute in the formula and check the answer. Clear? So let us continue. That is nothing but Sn equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute. So here substitution is what? 15 by 2 in the bracket 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1, that is N is 15 and D is also 8. 8 2s are 16. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 8. 14 8s are 112. Plus 16 is nothing but 128. So if you simplify further with this calculation, you will get your final answer as 960. Hope this sum is also clear to all of you. I have tried to solve the maximum sums in this video. But then also each and every sum is not possible. So similar type of sums are given in the textbook. So you try to solve yourself. As well as if you see the net in NCERT side, you will get many different questions which are non-textual. That also you try to solve. MCQ questions are also available. That also you try. Just try to solve the maximum sums. And if you have any queries, when our school will restart, I will clear your all the doubts. So thank you so much.